Probably one of the most challenging problems when it comes to subtraction is this type. When you're subtracting mixed numbers, anything can happen. First of all, we have to find a common denominator before we can celebrate. The whole numbers aren't going to change, but we are going to have to find a common denominator. Let's go over here. We have a 6 and then an 8. So again, our common denominator is going to be the product of all the different factors we see and then to the highest exponent that we happen to see. So 2's and 3's are floating around, and the exponent for a 2 that we see is to the third power. So 8 times 3, or 24. Now I went a little fast on there. Go back over and review finding a common denominator if that still left you a little puzzled. 24 is going to be our new and improved denominator. Now, we started with a 6. To make it turn into a 24, we'd have to multiply by 4, which means we're going to have to multiply the corresponding partner by that factor. Well, I've got a little scrunched here, but 8 times 3 is 24, so we'll have to do 5 times 3 to get the new one. Now we go to subtracting. You're like, smack, 4 minus 15. I don't have enough. Cut up. I do have enough. Don't be telling me it'll be negative, because it's not going to be negative. I have a lot here. I have 7. But that just means I'm going to have to borrow. Okay, now watch. Here we go. I took that one whole piece and I cut it up. I cut it up into 24 pieces. But I already had 4 slices. Alright, let's focus. Where in the world did 28 came from? I had 7 and 4 24s. I borrowed 1, which made it 6, but I cut that into 24 pieces and put it with the 4 I had. So 28 fourths. I'm still going to do my subtraction. But now, again, it's like making change. It's still the same amount of money with me, but now I have more quarters. I have more dimes, whatever the case may be. But it's still the same amount of money. Now I can subtract 28 minus 15 and subtract my whole numbers like they always did. Again, denominators stay put. They don't subtract. And we do a double check to make sure our fraction is reduced, and it is in those terms. And there you have it. Again, remember, when you have to borrow, you're taking a whole number off, but you're making it, again, based on this denominator. So you have to add basically these two numbers together to get your new numerator. This is one you will have to practice. Once you get it, man, you'll be flying through them. Good luck.